Ready?
Yeah, Dad.
Ready?
See,
Go get it. Oh dear.
I don't think I can express it as well as Jennifer did earlier.
Oh dear.
Jennifer?
What time do you want us at the
Come here.
station?
Come bring it here.
4:30.
See you then.
Bring it here. Come on. Bring it here. Good boy. Drop it. You want me to play with it? You gotta bring. Come here. Come here. Drop it. Let me get it. Ready? Come on. Come on. And go get it. Come on. Uh-oh. You got it underneath it. You can get it? Did you get it? It's eventually. Oh dear. It's over on this side. I don't know where he's at. I think he's on the other side. Come on. There he is. Good boy. Bring it here. Good boy. Good boy. Ready? Ready? Go get it. He's playing catch. He's totally playing catch. Are you super smart? Come on, bring it back. Oh, he's gonna play with it a little bit. Come on. Come on. Good boy. You want to drop it? Maybe? Oh, you gotta come around me. You gonna drop it so I can throw it? Good boy. Ready? Ready? Go get it. Our baby is brilliant. That's fun.